Indigenous people can't come in and save everybody. They can't save the world, because we can't just simply undo and go back to zero. I mean, as everybody knows, all the damage that's been done by colonialism, by the severe disruption of food systems, of ecosystems, right? Turning them into capitalist kinds of systems of property and wealth transfer. But there are these kinds of smaller projects that Indigenous knowledge can intervene in to help treat some of the worst symptoms of the problem, I think.